Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we will see how we can upload any video file from URL. Okay, so we are going to deploy the code everything on servers. No, we will not do anything locally. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, guys, come to this website huggingface.co. Okay, and create your account on this website and log into that account. After that, this kind of page will be open on your screen. Okay, here what you need to do, just click on this spaces button, and here you need to create one space. Okay, just click on create space and type whatever the name you want to give to your space. Okay, I will say here upload. Okay, and I will say movies. Okay, this name I will give, and I will select here docker. Okay, and inside docker I will select a blank file. Okay, now after that you can see it's completely free. We are getting two core CPU and 16 GB of RAM. Okay, cool, basic, fine. Now what we can do, we can just click on create space. Okay, this will help me to create my space. Okay, now here what you need to do, once your this part is done, what you need to do, just click on these files. Okay, and these two files will be already created here. Okay, what you need to do now here, just click on this create file button. Okay, and here create a few files. Like first file you need to create, let me show you the code, how the code will look like. Okay, so first of all you need to create a file with the name docker file. Okay, let me rename this and copy the name. Okay, this is my name. Make sure that caps like D should be capital A. Okay, and docker file, this should be the name. And after that you need to paste this line or this code. Okay, whatever the code you are able to see on the screen, you need to paste the same. Okay, after that click on this and after that commit a new. Okay, this will be done. Now next what you need to do, again we need to create one file. Okay, if I again come here and again we need to create, one sec, let me come back to files and let me clear it, come back to files and here add file, like create one new file, and this time create a file with the name app.py. Okay, and the code for this file is this one. So can you now see, let me explain the code, what here exactly inside this code is doing. So I'm importing fast API and I'm creating one route with the name movie upload. Okay, I'm getting as a JSON body as a video URL and upload URL in form of a string. After that what I'm saying that I've taken, like I've got it here video URL and upload URL. Okay, so what next I'm saying that inside my server, this is my input video path. Okay, where I will download this video. So I'm saying download this video, and here like this is my download path, and I'm saying here if this path present then delete it. Okay, now next I'm saying that this one code, this one line of code is downloading my video file, whatever I will provide it. Okay, now next if any error occurs, I am returning 500, means server error. After that what I am saying, whatever the video is downloaded. Okay, see, whatever the video is downloaded, just upload that to this URL, upload URL. Okay, and once this process is done, just say video uploaded. Okay, cool, perfect. So this is the code. So I will copy this code, and what I will do, I will come back here and I will paste this code here, and I will say commit a new file to main. Okay, perfect, fine. Now what next I will do, basically here I will again come to here, and again I will create one file with the name and with the file will be with the name requirement.tsx. Okay, I will say requirement.txs, and inside this we need three libraries. Okay, so this is my file requirement.tsx, and I need to install fast API, UVcorn, and requests. Okay, cool, perfect. These three are done, and I will say commit new file to main. Okay, perfect. Now what you need to do, you can see here our code is building. Okay, it will take a little bit of time. You can see here it has been started building, and within 20 to 30 seconds this will be deployed. Okay, now you can see it has been deployed even to our server, and now it is starting. Okay, now our server admin start, and you can see our server admin started. Cool, perfect. And this you are getting because we have not created any get route here. So now what you need to do, just click on this embed space, and this is our link. Okay, this is our API endpoint. Cool, perfect. Now what you need to do, guys, come to your project. Okay, in the project which we are creating. Okay, so let me little bit zoom it here. Okay, so this is a file. Okay, like this is a code which will help me to upload the data. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will so I have created here one function with the name like export default async function upload video to S3. I am getting here URL video like movie, like name of that movie, and in which format this movie is, like 480p, 720 or 1080. Okay, format I am getting basically here. So after that I'm getting current time. Okay, after that I'm getting here movie, and after that I'm getting like movie, this will be the folder name. Okay, movie will be the folder name. After that current time, current time underscore format, like what is the format of this movie. So currently what can I do here? I will say dot split by here. Basically if any space I got, then I want to split it by this, and I want to join it by I can say join it by minus sign. Okay, minus sign. Cool, perfect. Now next what I'm saying here, I'm creating a params and which contain like bucket name, file name, and expiration means this URL will get expired in 3 hours. Okay, after that I'm giving a full control of my bucket. Now next what I'm saying here, I'm generating here a pre-signed URL to upload my video file. Okay, cool, perfect. Now once this process is done, I'm saying that file like I'm returning here file name. Cool, perfect. Now here what I'm saying basically, I need to hit that API endpoint. Just now we have deployed our server. Okay, so what I will say here, one thing that is and I can say basically create I can say post method, THOD method with some JSON body, with some JSON body. Okay, now this will help me, like this will create me data. Okay, so it is saying Axios. Okay, I will accept it and let's see how it is working. Okay, I will remove everything first of all. I don't want to take risk. Okay, so I am saying here console.url. I don't want to console the URL. I need here URL and not these things. Now what I need, see what our code is expecting here. So it is expecting here first video URL. Okay, so I will come to my code and I will say video URL. Okay, this is my video URL. Okay, and upload URL will be, what will be the upload URL? So upload URL will be where is that? So this is my upload URL. Okay, this will be my upload URL, and let me paste it here, and I will say video underscore URL. Okay, this will be my video URL. I will paste it here, and this will be my upload URL. Okay, whatever the pre-signed URL I will generate, I'm sending here it as a pre-signed URL. Okay, cool, perfect. Now I'm making here post request. Okay, I'm saying here post request to this path, and let me get the endpoint also. So this is my endpoint. Okay, and I will paste it just after to this upload movies, and this is my post method. After that I'm saying basically here control C I will do, and I will say basically here this thing. Okay, and I'm returning from here one file name. Okay, cool, perfect. Now next what I will do now, next I will say basically here cool, perfect. I think this is now let's start coding. I think I require Axios also. Let me see whether I have installed Axios. Okay, cool, I have installed Axios, and what I will say, import Axios. Okay, import Axios. Let me get a suggestion. So I have imported Axios. Cool, perfect. Now next what I will say basically here, let me do stuff of code here. So let me go to my website. This is my website. Okay, I will say here admin / add movies. Okay, add movies. Cool, perfect. Now here inside add movies, I will create one folder where like I will create one folder. Okay, and this folder will be like I can say basically ID. I can say basically ID. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now I will move inside this body. Okay, so I will create one file with the name page.jsx. Okay, and I will copy paste the same line of like this same code. Okay, so I will control C, and I will paste it here same to same. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what I need now see first of all let's move to our DB. Okay, so first let's move to our DB. So I will say basically here hosting a panel. One sec. Sorry, let me move to my hosting a panel, and I will move to my database. Okay, so this is my database, and here let it get load. Now let me close few tabs, my system is hanging. Okay, so this is my movie tab. Okay, I will come under movies, and currently we can see we have two movies, but I want to delete from here one of these. Okay, so what is that? First of all, one is this and second one is this, because these are some dummy data. Okay, I will delete it and I will say yes, and this is my movie ID as one. Okay, so what I will do right now, I can go here and I will say here /1. Okay, /1. This is my URL and I will not get any changes. Okay, any means any changes. So right now what I will do, let it load. My system is lagging too much. Okay. See, our task is basically on this page. We have already created this movie with the name with ID as one. Okay. So what at a time, what I need, I want that I can easily. What can I say? I can easily get this data. Okay. First of all, I need to get this data. Okay. So for that, what can I do? I will basically go to my add movies file. Okay, and here I will basically create one function. Okay, one function like get movies. Okay, so I will basically say here uh, control C and I will paste the same. I don't want to do it export default, and this will be export async function and get movie, and I will require here movie ID. Okay, so I will say ID, and after that what I need, I don't need this all. Okay, now next I will say here select. Okay, and I will remove here select movie. Okay, let's say select movie, uh, uh, movie where movie I underscore ID is equals to ID. Okay, cool. This will create me an okay, cool. It has given me a query select star from movies. Okay, let me see whether my DB name is correct or not. So my DB name is movie, fine, and I'm saying here basically ID. Cool, perfect. Now I'm consoling the output and I'm returning the output as it is. Okay, so this is my output and I'm returning this output. So let me see data. Okay, data, cool, perfect. Now let me open the console and move to my ID1 page and let me get the ID as params. Okay, so I will say params and I will console the params here. Okay, so I will say basically, so this is a use client. Okay, but we don't need it in a use client. We will make it as a use server. Okay, so for that but before this let's make a few of the changes. Okay, like I will say basically here client. Okay, I will make it a use server and I will make it as an async. After that I don't require this stuff of data right now. I will comment this. Okay, I require it but not right now. Okay, I am saying this thing and let me do wrap it somehow like this. One sec. Cool, perfect. Now I am getting an error. Okay, let me do control Z. We will figure it later. Okay, cool, perfect. Now see handle submit I don't require here. Okay, I don't require this and I don't require changes and this all stuff I don't require at a moment. Okay, I can basically remove this only one. Okay, I'm saying export default. I need to do export default async function and I don't require these all. Okay, cool, perfect. And now next what I need, I need to console this params. Okay, so I console.log params. Okay, I want to basically know what exactly I'm getting my. Okay, so I will come here and if I refresh it right now and let me see where I have created this. I have created this ID inside actors, but I need to do it in inside movie. Okay, cool. I will shift it to under movies and perfect. Now let's refresh the page and we should get a black screen. Okay, black or any white kind of screen. So it's currently compiling our code and it will take a little bit of time because it depends on your system. Okay, my system like is getting overheated, so it can take time. So right now let it get compiled and we will start coding further. Okay, now what I need, as I get ID now I will make one request. Okay, so I will make one request. So instead of making that get request on other file, what can I do basically, I can create this method itself here. Okay, so I can make this thing itself there. Okay, I will come here and I can make this thing here itself. Okay, so right now what can I do, I will comment it for now and let me see in console what I got. Okay, so this is the console. I think I'm getting any error, is it so? No, I'm not getting any error. I'm getting fine. I will say ID. Okay, and if I go here and let's refresh our page again. Okay, if I refresh, I should get in my console my ID. Okay, so let's wait. So I am. Is the page loaded completely? No, still loading. My PC got overheated. It is lagging too much. Okay, basically I will get my ID number here. Okay. Now next what I will say, once I got the ID and I can send this ID here. Okay, and I will say basically here params.id and I will paste this params.id here. Okay, cool. You can see here I have got the in my console my ID. Okay, fine. Now next what I will say, is it so I'm getting any error here? Let's wait. My PC is not working. This thing, and if I refresh, it's getting refreshed even. Uh, in console, I'm getting an output, but page is not able to load. Reason is my laptop. Okay, let me close this one tab. Okay, guys, I hope you have seen this part. Okay, this S3 we will see later. Okay, means in this video I will open this tab after. Okay, if I come back here and server is approaching the use. Okay, my laptop memory got over thread on the threshold level. It's starting the server, and if I refresh it right now, I should get some console like my ID. So it's compiling the code, and let's wait for a while. Let's wait. It has compiled, and I have got it here my ID. Okay, so we will see why we are getting. Okay, I know. So you can see here we are getting in that one is fine. Okay, we are getting one. Now I need to import my DB also. Okay, my DB instance. Okay, so I will import it somehow like this. And once I have got it this, I will say like this, and I will basically do console dot log data. Okay, so I will say basically console dot log data or basically result. Okay, result. And if I come here right now, so currently you can see guys, I have gotten this movie data. Okay, and I need only first item data. Okay, cool. And now here I can make one more condition. Okay, so if like if result dot length, okay, dot length is less than is equals to 0. Okay, means we didn't receive any movie, then I will say basically return here JSX fragment. Okay, means we will not give an error on our client side. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what next I need to render this data. Okay, so I will create here one component. Okay, I will make here one file I can say basically component folder, new folder with the name components, and inside this component detail. Okay, I will make one full file name details.jsx, and I will basically do this line of code. I will paste here, control C, and I will paste it here. Okay, cool, fine. Now what I need here guys, see, I will send this data. Okay, whatever the data I have received here. Okay, I will send this data here. So here is what I need to do right now. So this is my admin panel. Okay, edit movie. Now I will share edit movie, and I will say basically edit movie panel. Okay, fine, that's fine. And let me get the data here. Okay, I will say data, and now let me send this data here. Okay, now I will say here edit movie and edit movie panel, and fine. Now I need to send here data. I will say data is equals to results. Okay, results of 0. Okay, fine, cool, perfect. Now what I need basically here, let me close these tabs. Okay, so what I need, see, I have got it here data. Okay, so what exactly, see here title. Okay, now what I need to do here, I will say basically data dot title. Okay, we will not do anything more right now, and we will see an output. Okay, if I refresh the page, and let's see, we are getting an error that style is not there. Okay, fine, cool, perfect. So I will import this style. So from where this style will come, I will say basically dot slash, and one sec, dot slash, I will get this style from where from where this one page na, I think from here. So I need to do one more time dot slash. Okay, from here I think, yeah, from here, from parent level. Okay, cool, perfect. If I refresh it right now, page is getting refreshed. We will wait for a while. Is it compiling still? Compilation error. Is it so? First of all, my laptop is too slow. Here recording is going on. After that, movie one, we are getting server error. Okay, but before that, guys, let me move to the like coolest place where uh, my PC can be become cool. Okay, so let me move. I think I need to just refresh it right now. Okay, let me refresh it and let me move to the safe place. Okay, let me move. Once, guys, I'm just traveling. Okay, cool. I am here now. Let me make some noise proof here. Okay. Hopefully my laptop should not get now heated. Okay. Okay. Can you see on the screen? I am getting my output like name I am getting. Okay. So let's do the same for other fields also. Okay. So what I will do right now. So see, this is a description. Okay. So I will say basically here data dot description. After that, release year will be this. So I will come here and I will say data dot release year, duration is this. So I will say basically data dot duration, type is this. Okay, type, I will say data dot type, and next is category. So category will not be defined right now. I will create one more column for category. Okay, a language will be this. So I will say data dot language. Okay, perfect. And UA, so I will say basically data dot UA, after that poster URL. So this will be the poster URL. Okay, from here we shouldn't be able to upload the posters. Okay, poster will be uploaded initially, or if we want to modify, we will provide an option to modify, okay, our posters. So I will say basically data dot. Okay, perfect. Now we have done everything almost. If I come back here one sec and refresh, I will get the data. Okay, so let the page refresh. Okay, I'm getting an error. The poster URL is not defined. Is it so? No, poster URL is not defined. Where? Okay. So I will say data dot poster URL, and if I again refresh, I should get the data. Okay, still it is overheating. Okay, fine, guys. You can see here I have got the data. Okay, now what I will do, just below to this, I will create an option to add movies. Okay, means upload movies. So I will come to this section. Okay, here, and I will say basically here upload. I can say one input tag for. Okay, so I will say basically the same thing. Okay, I will create one form tag basically here. So I will say uh, uh, form tag. Okay, form tag, and inside this form tag I will create some labels and input tag. Okay, this is my input tag, or what can I do, I will create this form tag some other place. Okay, so I will say here basically export, and I can say basically mm, 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 export async function, and add movie, no, not add, upload movie, and this will be a function, so will be somehow like this, not arrow function. Okay, cool. Now I will return from here something, and I will return something from here something. After that, what I need, I will create here one I will copy paste the data. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will create one container, and okay, I means a few copy paste work I will do for a bit of time. and inside this container I have one form tag. Okay, this is my form tag and one input tag. Okay, so this is my input tag, and I will paste this input tag here, and let me close this form tag. Okay, slash form. Cool, perfect. I will say format document, and I let me make an heading also. Okay, so this is an heading, and after that heading will be here, and heading will be upload movie. Okay, upload movie. Now from here I need to send the three things. Okay, first is URL, so let me make an use state. So I will say use state, or I can say const uh, state, or I can say url comma set url is equals to use state, and this will be the use state. After that this will be an empty array. After that I will say basically on change I will say e, and this will be set url, control c, and control v. I will say basically e dot target dot value. Okay, so this will be the thing. Now next what I will say, I will basically say upload movie is fine, and url. Okay, so this will value will be the url, and fine. Now I need to create like I need to make one select tag also, like for quality. Okay, uh, so I will say create a select tag for video quality, video QU ALITY, like 480p or 720p or 1080p. Okay, so I will create one select tag. So from this I can select the. Okay, I will say accept, and now what next I will say basically fine. I think till now we are here. So I will select it here. I will say basically implement logic also, like implement logic also. Okay, so it will create one function like which will help me to upload the data. Okay, cool, perfect. Now it has removed the options, and I can say basically accept it. Okay, so now here I will say basically it is saying if URL is null or this, it is fine. We are getting an alert now. I will do this. I'm getting here video URL and quality fine, and we need to send, by the way, these two. Okay, so now next I need to call this. Okay, I need to call this upload movies. Okay, I will say copy it, and I will basically say this thing here, and I need here basically data. Okay, so like I will say movie name. Okay, so I will get the movie name from here. How can I get? So do you remember like data dot we have something title, so we will get the movie name somehow like this. After that we need to call our function. Okay, so if I show you upload movies means videos. Okay, so this is that function. Okay, so what right now I need, I will basically say not this. So this is my function. Okay, video upload video. Okay, so I will come to my details page, and I will basically say here. Okay, I will remove this line of stuff, and I will paste it here, control V, and I will remove this even, or I will remove the console only. I will say basically this thing, and I need here, I need to send here three things. Okay, I will say const res is equals to await. I want to say await, and this thing I will do. Now what I need to send from here? Okay, I need to send from here three things. Okay, these three things I will send. I will copy this, and I will come here, and let me send these three things. So first is video URL. So what is video URL? So video URL is whatever the user will type. Okay, so that will be our video URL. What is movie? So this is our movie name. Okay, so this will be a movie name, and format will be video quality. Okay, so this will be the quality. Cool, perfect. Now we are sending, and now what I need, once this all process is done, I need to set my this set URL, control V, to res dot. So in response, what I am getting, so what basically when this process is done, I am getting my file name. Okay, so I am saying file name. So I will say basically here when the responses came, so set this to this kind of thing. Okay, cool, perfect. Now next what I need, we need to test it whether it is working or not. Okay, so if I come here and if I refresh right now, I should get the data. Of course I will get the data. And you can see we are getting, so I like we are not getting, we are not styling it right now. Okay, cool, perfect. It is giving us some error. Okay, no problem. So I cannot make it in async. Okay, this one I cannot make it async. Fine. Now I will not get any error. If I refresh it again, the error, this will error will not come. Okay, cool, the error is gone and page is still loading. Let the page load. Okay, page has been loaded and you can see we have got it one title. Okay, we will remove this title here from here. We will say here URL. Okay, so I will say video URL. Cool, perfect. Now next what I need, we can select the quality. Okay, let's select quality, in which quality URL it is. Now we will upload it. Now what I need, I need to create here one button also to submit. So I will get this one button from here. Okay, so this is a button and let me paste this button here. Okay, cool, perfect. Now let me say upload movie. Okay, upload movie. Okay, cool, perfect. So this will help me to upload the movie. Okay, I have got it one button even. So what next? So let's see how we can upload the movie. So for this, what I will do right now, I will go to my S3 bucket. Okay, so I will say basically here S3 and let me move to my bucket. So inside my bucket I had one bucket with the name I think root movies. In previous video we have created. Okay, so this is a one bucket root movies, and currently you can see we don't have anything inside this bucket. Okay, so now what I will do right now, I will basically go here in my new tab and I will search one website like filmy day fly.day. I will go to this website and I will start uploading any movie. So you can see currently the movie that I want to do, The Land of Hanuman. Okay, so this movie I want to upload. So this is the movie. Okay, it's I think not a movie, it's a series. Okay, so we will upload this series. And what I need, I will go to the download and let me come here. So three qualities are there. Okay, 480, 720 and 180p. So I will go first with 480p and I will try to download it. Not means I will do this process with the through link. Okay, not any somehow like okay, we are getting little bit ads. We will skip these ads and we will proceed to our task. Okay, so I will go with the drive. Okay, drive bot link, and this will generate me a link. So I will say generate link and just whatever the new tab will open, just close those tabs. Okay, so it has generated me this link. I will copy this one link. Okay, and I will copy this link. Now what I will do, I will basically go to my this website like my local server. I will paste this here and I will select the quality as 480p. Okay, and I will say upload movie. It is saying error while uploading. Okay, now what's an error and from where this error occurred? So let's see. It is saying the error we do we have upload video to S3? Have we imported? No, we don't have imported it yet. So what I will do right now, let's import this. Okay, S3, let's get suggestion. Okay, cool. Now next we have imported and hopefully we will not get any error. Okay, I will say okay and again I will say upload. Again we are getting error. Okay, now let's we are sending everything fine. Now let's see what error we are getting. So I will say console.log error. Okay, and I will not get this log here. I will get it on this side and and let me inspect, come to my console. But before that, let me verify whether I am setting my quality. Yes, I am selecting the quality and let me again hit the. So currently we are not received anything, any alert we have not received. Okay, cool, perfect. Now the thing I need, once this process is like this process begins now, what I need, I want to set this set URL to like please wait, we are uploading. Okay, so that we can see what exactly is going behind this. Okay, so we will wait for a while till this is not changed, or we will not get any error. Okay, so we will wait. I will, if I refresh, I am sure I will not get any object. Okay, I have got this, the legend of Hanumant. Do we have inside anything? This we hero. Okay, we have one movie. Cool, perfect, guys. We can see that we have received this, and I think the text is changed to the legend of Hanumant and the this format. Okay, cool, perfect, guys. Now what can I do here? What do you think, guys? So here you can see we have received this movie. Okay, so today in this video you have seen how we can upload these movies to S3 bucket for directly from URL. Okay, so now from next video we will like I will upload like 10 to 15 movies. Okay, and we will start integrating where I will show you. So we have done this, and okay, we have done this one part. Now what I want to, once this video is uploaded, I want to upload this to my bucket, like I want to save it to my database also. Okay, so for that what I will do right now, okay, a video will be long, no problem, but it will be interesting. Okay, so what I will do right now, let it be, and let it be, I will create here one basically file, I can say basically folder, or no, I will go to ChatGPT and I will say basically to ChatGPT that create me a table. Okay, okay, it is loading. I will come here and I will say create for me a table to store movies link with their quality. Okay, to store movies link with their quality. Okay, perfect, with their quality, and I will say enter. Now this will give me the, okay, fine, perfect. Now it has given me the three to four formats. Okay, quality will be these, perfect and perfect. Now what I will do, I will copy this and I will come here and I will open my console and I will create here one query. Okay, let's modify this query. Okay, so let's modify this query. We will, whatever we will not require we will remove it, and whatever we require we will add it. Okay, so first of all let's remove all the comments we don't require. So here is active is fine. Okay, is active is fine because we don't require even is active. Okay, so I will remove languages, language I don't require. Quality is fine. Okay, and quality is fine, 480, 720, 180 and 4K, fine. After that URL and movie ID and ID is fine. Okay, this thing is fine. After that we are saying foreign key as movie ID, it will come from movie table. And what is the movie in movie table? What do we have? We have movie ID, so I will say basically movie underscore ID. Okay, so this one movie ID. After that I'm saying movie ID reference movie, updated on this time, created on this time. Updated we don't require, basically created it's fine, quality is fine, URL is fine, and movie ID is basically fine. Bigint, I think, yeah, bigint, and ID is bigint, fine, perfect. Now I can create, and movie links, okay, fine, I can create this table, perfect. Now my table is created. If I refresh it here, so I will get my movie table here, like movie links. Okay, perfect. Now what do I need, guys? See, I will come here and I will basically, when I will send this what can I say, when I will send this upload, means whenever I will upload, I want to send here one ID also. Okay, so what is that ID? So that ID will be data dot movie ID. Okay, so I will say basically ID and where is that? From here I want to send ID as data dot movie underscore ID. Okay, movie underscore ID. Okay, perfect. And I will say control C and I will send this ID here. Okay, I will say basically control V, and when the movie is uploaded, okay, let me do control, okay, let it come like this here. Okay, so I will receive here, after format I will receive ID also. So what I need, once our movie is uploaded, okay, now we need to store this file name inside our basically I can say inside my DB. Okay, so I will say here basically create one insert one row inside DB. Okay, I can say basically this. So I will go to my add movies table and I will copy this. Okay, and I will come to my details page or not upload more videos. Okay, I will come here and basically I will say here movie is fine. Okay, not movie, I think it is movie link. Yeah, movie link. So this is my movie link and movie links. What I need to do here, I need to first give my movie ID, and this is my movie ID. Secondly, I want to give here basically, where is that? After movie ID I need, where is my DB? Okay, after that I need to provide URL. Okay, and URL is here. After this URL I need to provide what is the quality of this video. Cool. Perfect, nothing else I need to provide. Whatever are these, let's remove these. Okay, fine. Now I need to here only 3 question marks. Okay, fine. Now next movie ID URL and done. Now let's remove from here also 3, all of these. So first is movie ID. So what is our ID? ID is this. Second, our URL. So what is URL? Our file name will be our URL. Okay, so I will say basically this. Now third, what I need, quality. Okay, so what is our quality? So format, our format will be the quality. Okay, cool, perfect. I will say this. Okay, fine, perfect. Now what I need basically here, I need basically here I need to first import this root movies. Okay, I think I have not imported. Okay, so I will say root underscore, let's get suggestion. Okay, so fine, I have imported it, and once this is done, I am saying that return file name. Okay, so fine, now I will say here file name. Okay, but before this, whenever like when this is uploading, okay, I will say basically set URL to please wait, please wait uploading. I will say please wait uploading. Okay, I will say this thing. So next, let's see how will it work. Okay, so currently you can see in our DB nothing is there. Okay, and I will again come here and I will basically again try to generate the link. Okay, our link is expired. Okay, fine, link is generated. Okay, I will copy the link, I will come here and I will refresh it. Okay, I will refresh it and we will wait for a while. Okay, our it is refreshed and quality we will select as 480p and I will say upload. An error occurred. Okay, what's the error? What's the error? I think on server side we have received any error. I think so, or I have just console it. I've getted the response in my console. So I will come here and it is saying ID is not defined. Okay, where ID is not defined. Okay, fine, ID is not defined. So I will say basically here ID because I am getting ID here and here. Fine, perfect, I can remove it and I again refresh it. Let me copy the link. So this is my link. Okay, again I need to generate the link. Let me generate the link again and I will copy the link. I will come back here and I will paste the link here and I will select the quality as 480p and upload movie. It is saying please wait, we are uploading your movie, and we will wait for a while, like around, the video size is around 480p guys. Not, I think it's around, let me see what is the size of this. It is 413 MB, so it will not take much more time. It will take around 30 seconds to upload. Okay, so we will wait for a while. It is uploading and till it is uploading we can see, no, what I will see, nothing we can see because when this is uploaded one more file will be there with the same name, 480p, because our current date will get changed. Okay, so you can see we have got it one more file. Okay, we have like it is uploaded. It has taken less than, I think, 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds. Okay, so now which one is that? Currently its time is 112 and this one. Okay, so I can easily delete this one. Okay, I can easily delete this one, and let's see, we will see in DB also whether we have stored our movie inside DB or not. Okay, so I can easily delete this and let's, okay, this is deleted. Okay, and if I come back here and if I come here to my DB, and let's see whether it is stored in a DB or not. I'm refreshing my DB, and here you can see we have stored this movie inside our DB. So the name of a URL is this. So how I will access this basically? So what I will do, I will basically say my S3 base URL slash and this name. Okay, so I can able to access the video. Okay, fine, perfect, and the quality we are set that 480p. Fine. Now next we will upload the same movie but in another quality like 700 MB. Okay, this can take little bit of time, but we have seen how we can upload a movie. Okay, mean not exactly, means any video file. This can be not any means any. So it's not only that if you are uploading 1 MB also, that will also get uploaded. If you are uploading 10 GB file, that will also get uploaded. Okay, okay, fine. We will now we are uploading like in 720 quality. Okay, to our S3 bucket. Fine. So let me wait here. Okay, so again I will say drive link. Okay, so I will say drive link, and I will generate the link from here. I will close the unnecessary tabs which will get opened, and I will copy this URL. Okay, I will copy this URL and I will come to my website, and if I refresh, okay, so again I will paste it here, and I will select this time quality as 720p, and I will say upload. So it is saying please wait, and of course we will wait for a while, and till it is uploading. What can we see? I don't think that our today's video task is done, uploading movies to S3 bucket. So in like in next video, what I will do, I will basically do some styling, and according to like myself what style I will prefer. Okay, so according to your wish you can modify this, but we have done this. So what I will do right now, we will get these movies here, and we will display these movies on the right side. Okay, so that we can, and we will provide one option also to update those movies. Okay, cool, perfect. So let's wait here, and once this is done, in the next video we will see like on the homepage how we can fetch this data, and how we can display that data from APIs. But when you will watch next video now, this admin panel will be done. Okay, so you can see our movie had been uploaded, and we have got it the name, and if I show you the size of this movie, it will be around let me show you the around, it is around 600 MB, 766 MB, and it got uploaded I think less than 1 minute. Okay, so you can see and I don't like, my internet connection is also not that much. It's completely on server. Okay, nothing locally. So that's all guys. If I show you here, so you can see basically here